Hello everyone, I'm Debbie from Bari System and welcome to this introduction to Java and object-oriented programming. By the end of this video, you will understand the basics of object-oriented programming and also the basics of the Java programming language. Programming is how we communicate with machines, giving them instructions to perform tasks. Think about smartphone notifications like you've got a new message or the game over message in your favorite video game. Even checking your account balance in a banking app involves programming. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, organizes software around objects and data. This approach makes programs more organized, reusable, and easier to understand using concepts like classes and objects. Java is one of the most popular class-based OOP programming languages. Its famous slogan is "Write once, run anywhere," meaning Java programs can run on multiple platforms without recompiling. Java is used for applications, games, banking systems, and web applications. It's also a case-sensitive language, so hello is different from hello. Let's look at a simple Java output example. Here, system.out.println is used to display messages on the screen, and parentheses are required. Environment setup using JDK and NetBeans will be covered in the next video.